We all know the defaults, to do, doing, done, boards, defaults, labels. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can change that. So let's jump right in this video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So what you're gonna need to do is to click on your profile, and here on your profiles, just click on your profile, click on administration, and here on administration, click on customization, and here on customization, make sure you check your boards. So you click on boards, and here you can set default boards. Okay, you can move around like this, move top, change the words to, let's say, and here let's say I can write, instead of working on it, I'm gonna write open. Now the next one here, I'm gonna write in progress. The next one here, I'll write completed. All right, you can also maybe add another one, depends. Now you should add this, change your labels based on what you're doing, based on your business, because this, what I wrote here, open, in progress, this is more maybe for a store. Really depends now, as I said, because for a store, but actually open, it's good, but I will actually write another one, change one to low stock. So for this one, of course, um, we need to add another one, out of stock, and I'm gonna add another one, resell inventory check. All right, and that's what you need. You just need now to click on save changes. Now, of course, here you can also see your user information, notification, user profile, boards, features, and branding. But that's overall where you need to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.